Mama got for you? Airplanes. It's a mobile. Please. Well, we're not supposed to play with these airplanes. I can hold you up, but they stay up there like that. See, they just gonna fly around. They're flying. They're flying. Airplanes, and we look at them.
Airplanes.
Yeah.
No. A little bit of a left bank turn, about a 15-degree bank turn. Number 5, straight and level. Uh-oh. Look at number 9. He's completely upside down. He's doing a slice back. Back to the left slice back. Looks like he's rolling in on number 5. Yeah, airplane. Here's the blue one. I see the blue one, a red one, a green one, and a yellow one. Now, what color is this one?
Yellow.
Oh, that's blue.
Blue.
What color is this one?
Green.
No, that's red.
Red.
What color is this one?
White.
Oh, well, half of it is white. I'll give you credit for that one, Chuck. The front of it is green. What color is this one? Yeah, yellow. Good.
White. Green. Airplane.
White.
He thinks the blue one's gonna fall
The
down.
blue one's gonna fall. He's right. Uh-oh. He's getting ready to lose altitude.
Uh-oh. Swapping paint with the yellow one.
Problem with yellow. Get out of here, yellow.
Summer. There's Summer.
Aren't they great?
David, what are you eating? What is it?
Banana chico.
Mmm.
Look at those airplanes.
Airplane.
Can you take another look at the airplane? Special request.
How exciting.
Airplanes. Airplanes. Yes.